Today, I'm going to teach you how to add fields and forms in Zendesk Support. This is incredibly useful for customizing your support tickets and collecting exactly the information you need from customers. Let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and navigate to zendesk.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with an account that has admin privileges, as you'll need those permissions to make the changes we're about to walk through. After you've logged in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation menu with several options. Find and click on the gear icon. This is your gateway to all the administrative settings in Zendesk. Clicking this icon will direct you straight to the admin center, where you'll have access to all the configuration tools you need. Now that you're in the admin center, look at the left side again. You'll see another navigation menu here. Click on Objects and Rules. This section is where you'll manage all the custom fields and forms that control how your support tickets are structured and what information they capture. To add fields, click on Fields from the menu. You'll need to wait a moment while the page loads. This is where all your existing ticket fields are listed, and it's also where you'll create new ones. Once the page has fully loaded, click on Add Field. This opens up the field creation interface. Here, you'll see several field type options available to you, like drop-down, text, checkbox, number, and more. Each type serves a different purpose depending on what kind of information you want to collect. For this tutorial, we're going to select text. This is one of the most versatile field types and works well for capturing open-ended responses from users. After selecting your field type, you'll need to input a display name and description. The display name is what your agents and customers will see, so make it clear and descriptive. The description helps provide additional context about what information should go in this field. Fill both of these in carefully. Once you've entered your display name and description, click Save. Your new field is now created and ready to be used in forms. Now, let's move on to adding forms. Click on Forms on the left side of the menu, then wait while the page loads. Forms are how you organize and present these fields to your team and customers. Once the Forms page has loaded, click Add Ticket Form. This creates a new blank form that you can customize to fit your specific needs. You can rename your form by clicking on the form name at the top. Input your new form name here. Choose something that clearly identifies the purpose of this form, like technical support request or billing inquiry. Now comes the fun part. On the left side, you'll see available ticket fields. This section shows all the fields you can add to your form, including the one you just created. To add any field to your form, simply click the plus icon next to that element. The field will immediately appear in your form layout. Add as many fields as you need to collect all the relevant information for this particular type of ticket. You can arrange them in whatever order makes the most sense for your workflow. Once you're satisfied with your form setup, click Save. Your new form is now active and ready to be used by your support team. And that's it. You've successfully added custom fields and forms in Zendesk Support, giving you much better control over your ticketing system. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.